My name is Michael Moliterno. I'm a design lead and data scientist at IDEO. I'm working with Chicago startup Lub, which is an opinion sharing platform that uses machine learning with a human touch to deliver personalized recommendations powered by you and people with similar tastes to you. Rather than turning to services that provide aggregate reviews that represent the average person, one of Lub's goals is to really understand their users so they can recommend the right places and experiences in the sea of options that we have today to spend our time and money. In other words, Lub helps users cut through the white noise. So when I think about building recommender systems, or any AI, machine learning system, whatever you want to call it, I always start with asking the question, why are we making recommendations or predictions in the first place? What user needs are you actually trying to solve? Knowing this is a great foundation for beginning the design process, and that is really what human-centered design or design thinking are at their cores. Start with understanding what is desirable for an actual person. Worry about feasibility and viability once that's crystal clear. Okay, so there are a couple algorithmic approaches to cutting through the noise: content-based approaches and collaborative filtering approaches. Content-based approaches are used to suggest things that are similar to other things that you like, or suggest things that complement other things that you like. But to pull this off, you need to know information, sometimes called metadata, about the things that you are recommending. Collaborative filtering techniques take a different approach. Let's try to suggest things that people like you also like. So rather than key in on content, which comes with a lot of biases, let's find users that have similar preference patterns as you, and then recommend the things that they like to you. All that being said, we can help algorithms out with cheat codes by tailoring recommendations to the context of a user. We're all in different modes when we're shopping or thinking about how to spend our time, so let's be aware of that when we're trying to add AI to actually augment these modes. We've been working with Lub to figure out how to combine all of the approaches above: algorithms that use content-based and collaborative filtering techniques. But when thinking about these algorithms and their outputs, we're also designing to meet actual human needs based on the different contexts or modes which we find ourselves throughout our lives. At its core, I see one of the huge value props of Lub is that it helps humans decide how to best use their most valuable resource, which is time, not money.